Hi, I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been injured in a motor vehicle accident in the Port Charlotte area, give me a call. The call and the consultation is free, 866-402-4250. I'm an osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine, but I've spent the last 33 years treating injured patients, particularly those with soft tissue injuries like whiplash and low back injuries. I know what needs to be documented. I know what medications help. I communicate with your primary care physician, and most injury centers do not do that or can't do that. I communicate closely with your attorneys. We have a network of providers in Port Charlotte, including chiropractic physicians, physical therapists, neurologists, neurosurgeons, available within blocks of your home. So the rehab is delivered locally. What I'm offering is an ability to avoid going to an ER where there's a lot of sick people, where you wait for hours, be exposed to excessive CAT scans that you don't need and don't add to the diagnosis of soft tissue injuries. Have a lien placed on your insurance for up to $5,000, sent home with medications that I can send home to your house without you ever leaving your home. So avoid the ERs and urgent cares. Most of you realize that your primary care docs will not treat the injuries, but they certainly want to know about the injuries, and that's where I come in. Your attorneys want you in a center where there's clear and concise documentation of your injuries. There's no gray zones. I'm an expert at that. I've been doing this for 30 years. I know how to diagnose injuries. I defend those injuries in depositions and court appearances. I know how to diagnose and treat these injuries so that you don't get stuck with bills. So again, if you use my services, a telemedicine service, it's a simple text link to your phone from the privacy of your home. I'll diagnose the injuries, call in medications, speak to your primary care physician, speak to your attorney, and the insurance company pays that bill. We then get you into local providers in the Port Charlotte area for chiropractic, physical therapy, orthopedic, neurology. A message to those who are at fault. Many times, if you're at fault, you feel you don't want to report your injuries for fear of your rates going up. Well, your rate's going up anyways. My rates go up every year, and I've never been in an accident. If you've been in an accident, your rates will probably go up, but they're not going up because you get treatment. So it's important, no matter how minor your injuries, report the injuries. It doesn't mean you have to do anything. You can just stay at home, take your over-the-counter anti-inflammatories, rest and stretch, and see what happens. If after a couple of weeks you're doing fine, close the case. If not, however, you have an active case so you can seek out medical care, medications, and therapies. Now remember, you only have 14 days in the state of Florida to report those injuries. So don't wait 2 weeks to get in your primary care physician to find out they don't report them. Call me 24/7. 866-402-4250 is my personal cell phone, and if I'm not with a patient or deep in a sleep, I'm going to answer that phone call. Not a nurse, not a medical assistant, not a marketing person. I'm going to answer that phone call. It's also an effective tool if you're in injury care right now in the Port Charlotte area, and you're going to a clinic, and you go in there 3 or 4 times a week, and they do the same thing over and over and over. Nobody talks to you. It doesn't seem to be getting better. That's your money you're spending. You can spend that somewhere else. So call me and we'll get you into somebody who can provide better individual service that you deserve. It's your money. You deserve better care. So give me a call. Whether it's a second opinion, a new injury case, if you're at fault or not at fault, give me a call 24/7 from the Port Charlotte area at 866-402-4250. Thank you.